Good morning everybody, Car Biker here. I'm on a bit of the North Yorkshire TT, road between Helmsley and Stokesley. Not going as far as Stokesley, turn off at Shopyat. I always say it with an angry voice now, I don't know why. Somebody told me it's not called Chopgate, it's Shopyat. It just feels angrier. It's been really disappointing, this road. This is one of the most fun roads I know. Right up there on my list with the road from Hawes to Ribblehead Viaduct. But this bit isn't so bad, but it's not great. But the surface closer to Helmsley, absolutely terrible. They've put slippery road signs up. Not because it's slippery, there's nothing on the surface as far as I could see. It's just so badly damaged. It feels like you're sliding. It's like score marks along the road and your tyres get caught in them. Really bad. Certainly making it less fun around here. Anyway, behind me I've got Dave, Mr. Smith's Biking Adventures. I don't know if he's videoing today or not. Behind him is Steve, and then Chris at the back. And as I mentioned in my previous video, we're going for a long old ride today. It's not that long, to be fair. The whole thing's about 225 miles. So it's a decent day out. And it's lovely. It's cold, but it's Easter Monday. It's still not winter anymore. We're now into spring, but it's still in the cold time of year. As Mrs. C said to me this morning, it's still a month away from when you start grumbling it's too hot. I really wish I had my heated gloves back, but they're still at the shop. I need to go and talk to them, find out what's happening, because I've had them for over 2 weeks now and I've not heard anything. But the left glove wasn't working, so luckily under warranty, hopefully get them repaired. Probably get them repaired just in time for summer. Lovely twisty little bit of road this. It's fantastic when you've got nobody in front of you. This is the problem. When it's summer and the road is hot and you can really enjoy it, and of course the police are out in force, you find that this road becomes incredibly full of people. A couple of Ferraris going out for a spin down it. They might be shocked when they get to the bit that's all broken up as well. Yeah, you get so many people down here, and because of the double white lines, once you're behind one, you find that you have to kind of ease off, build a gap, and then catch up again. And you always get somebody who decides to drive down it at 40 miles an hour. I always picture them in my mind as catch up, going, these blooming bikers going too fast. 40's plenty. Here we are, Chopgate or Shopyat. Let's wait for the others to catch up now, because we're turning off.
How good is that road?
That bit's better, wasn't it?
That's brilliant.
Now we've got a surface back on it.
Yeah, the other surface.
Righty docky. Off the beaten track now. May see a vehicle or two because there is a country park down here, Lordstones Country Park. But now it's very pretty scenery and probably very few cars. Not sure if there's a bit of a tunnel of trees down here where I can see if it's still doing the annoying thing I was talking about in the last video, where going through trees the video gets choppy, or if the changes I've made to the settings will help. Apologies to Steve, who doesn't like heights. There might be a height or two in this bit. You can certainly see for miles. It's a view, isn't it? This is the kind of area where I was getting the choppy camera, hopefully, not at the moment. It's a shame when you get to pretty areas and it goes all choppy. I feel like Beavis and Butthead. I'm hoping it's not doing a jerky camera now. If it's not doing it now, I might have solved it. If it is doing it now, I'm depressed.
Turn right. After 200 yards, go straight ahead. Too easy. Go straight ahead. Too easy.
Go straight ahead, too easy, mate. It's actually a left turn though.
After 200 yards, bear left.
I thought we were going to go 3 wide for a minute then. This is Barnard Castle. Not as posh when you're coming from this end. This is our first stop of the day. Quick bite to eat before we go exploring places new. New to me anyway. Don't know about the other chaps.
Unfurl me legs.
Unfurl your legs.